Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Banal Bani and I'm from Group 4. Today I'll be presenting our topics: skeleton of sentences, understanding English sentence structure. Just like skeleton support the human body, sentence structure support the way we communicate. Without it, our writing and speaking can fall apart or be misunderstood. So why is sentence structure so important? It's simple. When our sentences are structured clearly, our ideas become easier to understand. Whether we are writing an essay or just having a conversation, sentence structure helps keep our message focused and effective. In this presentation, I'll go through the main components of sentence, the type of sentence structure, and how we can avoid mistakes. Every sentence is made up of 5 key parts. First, subject, who or what the sentence is about. Predicate includes the verb and tells what the subject does. Object is the action of the verb. Complement gives what information about the subject. Or object modifier adds detail like how, when, or where something happened. For example, the diligent student completed the assignment efficiently. The diligent student is the subject, completed is the verb, the assignment is the object, efficiently is the modifier. There are 4 basic types of sentence structure in English. Simple sentence. It contains one independent clause. For example, she studies hard. Compound sentence. It has 2 independent clauses joined by a conjunction. She studies hard and she gets good grade. Complex sentence. It combines an independent clause and a dependent one. Although she was tired, she studied for the exam. And finally, compound complex sentences. It includes multiple independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Although she was tired, she studied and she completed her homework. Clauses are the basic building blocks of sentence. There are 2 clauses, independent and dependent clause. An independent clause expresses a complete thought. For example, the sun set. A dependent clause cannot stand alone and needs to be attached to an independent clause. For example, because the sun set, blah blah blah. These clauses are often introduced with subordinating conjunctions such as because, although, since, and unless. English also follows some common sentence patterns that help organize our ideas clearly. For example, SV, birds fly, SVO, she reads book, SVC, he is a teacher, SVOO, she gave him a gift, SVOC, they elected him president. Understanding these patterns help us construct stronger and more meaningful sentences. Now, let's have a look at some common sentence structure errors. First, fragments. Fragments are incomplete sentences. For example, because I was tired. Second, run-on sentence happens when independent clauses are joined without proper punctuation. And lastly, comma splices. It occurs when 2 independent clauses are joined by just a comma. This mistake can confuse readers, but once you know the structure, they are easy to avoid. Punctuation is essential for sentence clarity. Periods and sentence, periods and segment, commas help separate element and clauses. Semicolons drain closely related ideas. Colons introduce list of or explanation, and dashes adds more emphasis or show a pause in thought. When used correctly, punctuation helps the reader and structures our message. Good writing isn't just about using correct grammar, it's also about how your writing sounds. Like short sentences can create impact. Longer sentences allow for explanation and depth. By mixing different sentence type, simple, compound, and complex, you create flow and rhythm in your writing. It keeps you really engaged. Here's a quick exercise I recommend for practice. Take the same topic or idea and then create 3 sentence types. For example, a simple sentence, she studies hard English. A compound sentence, she studied English and she practiced daily. A complex sentence, because she wants to improve, she studies English. Practicing this helps make sentence structure more intuitive. So, summarize everything. Sentences are made up of key parts: subject, verb, object, complement, and modifier. They are for basic sentence structure. Clauses are essential to building those structures. and clarity, punctuation, and reading error all play a huge role in how effective your writing is. Mastering sentence structure help us express our ideas clearly and confidently. Just like a skeleton gives form to body, sentence structure gives form to our communication. And remember, this isn't just about grammar rules. It's also about building a strong foundation for how we write and and speak every day. This all for my presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful in deepening our understanding of English sentence structure. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.